Hello, happy Wednesday. I don't really have an idea of what today's look is other than butterfly. So yeah, that's like my vision. Almost like wearable, but like clearly, you know, it's intense. So let's just jump right in. I got these new lip liners from Anastasia, and I'm gonna use this brown one to sketch what I'm thinking before I like go in with anything darker. Or okay, let's start with like the body. So and like my idea now is for it to like the wings to kind of like curve into an eyeliner. So I want to start with like a cut crease, I guess. Okay. So you see like how we're getting into like eyeliner territory? Because then like I can even now like start to make like a butterfly loop in there. But like, okay, wait, let's just finish the central wing though. So I want to bring this line. The wing like ends here. I want to do like an additional one to like floopy loopy. Okay. So then, oop, I like smudge this a little. Now I'm gonna take like the edge of this and bring it right to the corner of my eye. And then I'm going to curve a line in, I think. Basically, I'm like starting to create like those butterfly shapes in there, but like influenced by eye makeup, I guess. Okay, and then from here too, I'm going to create like the end of the. Okay, I'm taking this Rare Beauty foundation brush and I'm just going to pat down the brown because I don't really like want to be able to see it. I mean, like I want to like barely be able to see it. Like I want to use it as a guide for like rough shape and size, but I don't really want to like depend on it for color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this liquid eyeliner. This one's by Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna start to like create the butterfly. Okay, so in order to not get confused, I'm gonna do like all of the interest in here before I move on. So like, I think I want to do like cut crease, and then from here do another one, like into your waterline. Okay, so right where my eyeliner meets right here, I'm gonna continue this up. Okay, so keeping that same patterning, I'm gonna do some more down here. The trick with like a butterfly is that like there's no triangle lines here. You want to curve it up. So like bleed it back in. Start making like those like loopies, you know? Okay, so we're like here. I want something like eyelinery, like right here. So let's do like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the bottom wings, and I'm so nervous about it. But I want to do like I want to change what I did before. So let's do. Okay, so then I'm just gonna keep making like loopies now. Here we are. So I'm gonna switch into eyeshadow land, and I'm gonna take some white eyeshadow. I think I want to highlight the body a little. It's a little flat. Okay, and now with that same teeny brush, I'm gonna take this blue of Natasha Denona. I'm now taking some black eyeshadow, and for the eyeliner around the eye, I'm gonna start buffing that line in. I kind of want to like fix it obviously down here, but I want to like make some more interest down here. So let's just like mm-hmm, mm-hmm. I'm doing my eyebrows. Just like these front bits. I want to now put some cream blush. I'm gonna grab this one by Psy, and I'm gonna put like a little bit of blush around the butterfly wing. I'm just putting some face powder on top, and I'm like doing that even right on top of the blush too. Maybe I was gonna hit the bottom with some more black eyeshadow, and then maybe I'll call it a day. I can't tell. Okay, here's the finished look. I think I like can't tell. I thought a lot about filling them in, and then I decided not to. Don't forget, tomorrow's Thursday, so I will be streaming on TikTok and Twitch, so come hang out. Love to have ya. I need to color my hair. I feel so boring. Just ignore the hair. Bye.